Good evening, and welcome to Killer Kitchen. Now, we're supposed to start our season in February, and I decided, fuck it. They can't monetize me. They don't want to monetize me, and truthfully, this show is never about money. I just wanted to give you guys some good, clean entertainment, have some fun, talk a little shit, and drink a beer. Well, you know what? You can't please all the people all the time. And you can't please one group without pissing off another. So tonight, I'd like to introduce you to the brand new, old Killer Kitchen. Well, kiddies, tonight I'd like to bring you back to another tale from the crypt. Tonight's episode is Stared in Horror. I'd like to introduce you to a criminal who will get his just desserts. I'd also like to introduce you to another kind of criminal. Too many times do good men end up getting hurt because of a sour woman. Tonight's tale follows right in suit with that. In the Civil War, a Southern maiden was at home. Her husband always gone off to some other adventure. She was alone. A stranger came by just asking for water. Well, she seduced him. Husband comes home. What are you doing with my wife? And he's an innocent young man. He even tries to plead. Wasn't my fault. I didn't know. But as an angry husband, you don't really want to hear such things. I don't care if you didn't know or if you did know. You fucked my wife. How many times do these women get away with doing this? They play games with us. They play us against each other. We go to jail. We end up in prison over their games. You go ahead, you call me sexist. You go ahead, you call me whatever the fuck you... Oh, he's sexist. He's another... let me guess. Toxic masculinity, right? Because I'm calling you out for your shit. You know what? Men ain't pawns. We're not here for your fucking games. We're not here just to please you. We're men. And you know what? We make this world happen. We make this world go round. And... you know something? You want to talk about the pay gaps? Okay, let's talk about the pay gaps. You want to paint your fucking nails and talk on the phone. But it's the men out there fucking fixing the power lines. It's the men out there digging holes. It's the men out there building homes. Oh, yeah. Now you're going to give me, oh, well, not anymore. Well, now women are doing it. Well, then shut the fuck up. Because there ain't no pay gap. That woman's making just as much as the man for the exact same job. Period. So enough. Too many men get hurt. How many men have been sent to prison because some girl cried rape? He didn't even fucking do it. You cried rape. And he's sitting in prison. His whole life is ruined. So you know what? Just think about that as we walk into tonight's episode. He's a criminal and he's a piece of shit and he gets what he fucking deserves in this story. But let's be honest here. How many innocent men have been taken in and swindled by witchcraft of a woman? Oh, by the way, in the meantime, we're going to make biscuits and gravy. And, Southern style, of course. We're going to hang out, goof around. And I've actually altered my biscuits and gravy. My gravy is actually just a little bit different. It's not totally gravy. So I invite you to stick around. And now that I'm done bitching and I'm done talking major shit, I'd like to introduce you to Tales from the Crypt. Stared in Horror. Right here on the one and only Killer Kitchen, where nothing's ever as it seems, and we've always got something cooking.
Cats, I call this one Painted into a Coroner Blues. When I think of you, my heart goes flopsy as I contemplate your sweet autopsy. Your skin is green and blue, whatever would I do without my fine cadaver? That love in which I know I'll fall starts with the unkindest cut of all. Thank you, thank you. They don't call me the creative writing corpse for nothing. Thank you. My next poem is a little experimental number I've been working on. I hope you like it. It's about a real ghoul dude named Clyde, who's about to try a little daiku of his own in a vile verse I call Stared in Horror.
We're gonna get you. This one's for Chappie, buddy boy. We're gonna string you up and cut you out like a fresh killed 5-point buck. You hear me? You got that, Mudrow? What, Bill? Come on, boy. Let's go. Shut that right over there. Keep it spread out, boy.
Anybody home?
Yes?
Lady, I'm hurt real bad. You think you could help me out?
Oh, you poor thing. I wish I could let you in, but I'm all alone.
Oh. That's all right, I understand. I wouldn't want my own mother to open the door middle of the night. That's all right. I understand. I just...
Young man, I say. Young man?
Oh, lady,
Well, look at you.
Damn. You're an angel, lady. You're a saint. You gotta help me.
What is it, son?
They're after me. They're gonna hurt me. There's this little girl, but her daddy don't understand. And now them dogs, they're gonna tear my ass up.
Well, why don't you tell the sheriff? I'm sure that he's helped you.
That's the problem. It's the sheriff's daughter.
Oh, is that all? As if romance were a crime.
Oh, shot. My little babe, she's so pretty, but her daddy, he thinks I'm pop born, you know, no good. He says she's too young for me, but I don't mind.
I expect a nice-looking young man like yourself be hanged 30 times over by now.
Hey, listen, Lord, you open up in there now.
Don't worry. I'll protect you.
Hey, you in the house. This is the law. You open up. Hear me?
I'll just tell him you're my husband.
How about just not letting him in?
All right.
Check around back there, Harvey. He tries getting away. You shoot him. You hear me?
Yes?
Hello, ma'am. We're chasing a young man down around here. He's about 6'2". Got a tattoo of a die on his neck right about here. Have you seen him?
Tattoo of what?
He's got a tattoo of a die. You know, 7 come 11. Have you seen the guy?
No, I don't think so. Why?
He's a killer, ma'am. Preys on old people like yourself. Earlier today, he beat up and robbed old Chappie Hardy down at the Circle K. A little while ago, Chappie died.
Oh, dear.
His name's Clyde Boudreaux. Now, he talks a good line and he looks almost normal. But the simple fact is, he's a monster.
Well, I assure you, Sheriff, I have not seen anybody that fits that description.
Okay, well, you lock it up tight. Don't open it up to nobody now, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, boys. All right. Leave one stumble, boy. Harvey, you and Rochester ran out to the old creek. Check that. Come on now, move. Look up in the trees.
Wouldn't want them arresting the wrong man now, would we? Let's have a look at your forehead. Nice to see another forehead other than mine. I always say it takes a brave man to fight for something he loves. Brave or crazy. My late husband, Harlan Charbonnet?
Lady, do I look like someone who gives a goddamn about your dead husband? I don't think so. Now, where's your car keys?
My what, dear?
The keys to your car. You got a car, don't you? Your car.
Oh, those things. I never put much stock in them. I always said the good Lord had meant us to fly. He'd have given us wings.
Where's your phone?
Pardon?
Your phone. Goddamn. No phone, no car. How come you ain't dead, lady?
Well, that nice young man, Tommy from Bro Bridge, looks after me.
He does? He comes here?
Who?
Tommy?
Tommy? He passed on ages ago.
Crazy old poodoo.
Heavens, where are my manners? Would you like a drink? Or brandy, perhaps? Ooh, that does sound nice. I think I'll join you. I know a lady shouldn't, but for some reason, you make me feel young and reckless tonight.
I'll make you feel. You're disgusting. I'm gonna do you a favor, lady.
Now put that down, please, Clyde. I know you're desperate. But I know you're not really a killer, despite what happened to that poor Mr. Hardy down by the Circle K. Now, I don't think I have to point out I wasn't born yesterday. It's dark and you're lost. And if you leave right now, you might bump into your good friend, the sheriff. Am I right so far, dear? I usually am. There's nothing to be done about it. You'll just have to stay the night. Now, you won't do something rash now, will you? 'Cause you need me fit and healthy to show you the way out in the morning. You know, Clyde, everybody gets old. It's just the way it is.
Not me. I put a bullet in my brain before I get old and useless like you.
All right, dear. Now, call me old-fashioned. But I'd appreciate it if you just stay downstairs. Young buck like you wouldn't want your visit to be misunderstood. Good night.
This is worse than Morgan City. To win, you gotta be strong.
Hello?
I knew that old bat didn't live here long.
Clyde?
Yeah! Who that? Well, you the old woman, great-granddaughter or something?
Something like that. I trust you have everything you need down there.
Not yet. Well, now I know where to find it. What do they call you, darling?
Lillian Charbonnet. Call me Lily.
Okay, Lily.
Not such a good idea.
Why not? Oh, you afraid we're gonna wake up the old mummy?
It's not that. It's... This house has rules.
Okay, well then you come on down here.
Well, I don't know. It's late.
Come on, Shell. Just want to get a closer look at you.
You promise you won't bite?
Well... Nope. Come to Daddy.
You devil dog. Why don't you mix us up a couple of highballs? And I'll be right down.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, now. Come on here, Shell. I got one for you. Mmm. Frisky. Yeah. Come on, darling. Give me some of that. God! What? Shit!
I'm sorry. I didn't want to frighten you.
I ain't frightened. I'm like to puke. Where'd she go? Where's Lily? I bet she can get me out of here same as you. Huh?
I'll show her to you.
Yeah, you do that.
There's something I should tell you about Lily.
Why she dressed like that?
First communion. That was simple then.
Who this old fat?
Her husband. He was so dashing in his uniform.
I'd like to offer a toast to the most beautiful bride a man could ever ask for. My Lily.
He was gone off to save the world. She couldn't help it. All alone. No word from him for months. No one to tell her she looked pretty. And one night, this young man came to the door.
Is anyone there?
Yes. May I help you?
Pardon me, pretty lady. I'm sorry to be bothering you. I seem to have lost my way.
Oh, my goodness. Are you hurt? You look famished. He was hungry. Well, please, do come in. Come in. He was beautiful. That morning, her husband came home without warning and found them together in bed.
Filthy pig! Get out of
He
here!
took the young man by the throat and started to drag him down the stairs.
What? Please, I didn't know.
No, Harlan, no!
Get off me!
Please, oh,
Get
stop!
off me!
He would have killed him if I hadn't remembered the pistol in my dresser drawer. Harlan, stop! Blood everywhere.
No young man will ever climb these stairs to your bed again.
He was dying and he cursed me. No young man will ever climb these stairs to your bed again. Nor will you descend these stairs in a shape that pleases men.
Hey, how you do that? With mirrors, right?
That's right, with mirrors. See for yourself. No young man will ever climb these stairs to your bed again. You see, my darling, it works both ways. That's the curse. Downstairs, I'm too old, and you're too young. Upstairs, I'm too young, and you're too old. See? Much better. But Harlan forgot something. He forgot that people can make love on the stairs.
What kind of woman likes to have fun in the sun? The same kind that likes to have fun on the phone. You can call and share the best conversation anytime, whenever you want to have a little fun. She's a special woman, the kind that's easy to talk to. And if you'd rather just listen, well, she's got the sweetest voice you'll ever hear. So pick up your phone and have some fun. Call now. $4.99 per minute, must be over 18.
Call now.
You know, they say the quickest way to a man's heart is with a meat cleaver. And the quickest way to reach us here at Killer Kitchen is to call 453-562-1388. And for those of you out there who are looking and you're wondering, you know, how do I get myself my own Killer Kitchen merch? How do I get my hands on some Angry 80s merch? Well, you know, I just happen to have a site, make it totally easy, and we got all kinds of shit. You can go to www.tpublic.com/user/Killer Kitchen. We're going to put the link in the descriptions right below, and that should solve all your Killer Kitchen needs. Now, for those of you out there who know that we're struggling, Biden's economy, just kind of how it is. But if you guys happen to have a couple extra dollars and you want to donate it here to the Killer Kitchen to help keep the show growing, well, you can do that right now through paypal.me/Killer Kitchen. Anybody who donates anything over $5, we're going to give you a huge shout out on the air on the next Killer Kitchen. So we totally appreciate you guys. And in the meantime, rather than take up any more of your time, I'd say it's time to get back to the movie. You're watching Killer Kitchen, only on the Angry 80s Guy. Now, we are a little bit late. You see, this episode originally aired December 14th, 1994. Boy, what a shit year that was. And this episode was definitely a representation of the kind of year it was. In its own unique way. Puff, this isn't a gymnasium. Take a walk. Puff, everybody. But it is definitely, it's got really the feel of what 1994 really kind of was as a whole. Seductresses, criminals, jealousy, greed, envy. I don't want to go back to 1876 when the world made sense. Anyway, hey, speaking of 1876, tonight's meal is actually based on an old Civil War era meal itself. We are going to make biscuits and gravy. But since this is Killer Kitchen and nothing's ever quite what it seems here, we're going to be using a few different ingredients to make our gravy. And our biscuits, well, shit. You know what? I could have done the homemade, but we've only got 22 minutes for a show. That only leaves me a little bit of time myself to actually do the work. So, we bought some fucking Pillsbury Doughboy. Now, we're going to take y'all seen the Ninja Turtles? Anyway. Gotta give him credit, though. He did do a really good job recreating Bebop and Rocksteady. They fucked that up in Turtles 2 back in the 90s. Michael Bay, you Pillsbury Doughboy looking motherfucker. You did do a good job there, and I gotta give it to you. It's too bad you're such an ass. Pun intended. Anyway, speaking of ass, how about this fucking guy climbing his way into her house? She fucking don't want to let him in. He collapses. She opened the door, and then at first sight, I kill myself before I look old and useless like. So I'm gonna tell you guys something. Somebody needs to fucking say it. Clyde, our friend, D.B. Sweeney, actually the actor's name. Clyde, my friend, you are damn lucky that a woman like Rachel Ticorton would even look at you, old or young. And she was gorgeous in both states. Even the old lady was fucking pretty good looking for being a 108-year-old. And of course, one last thing I do have to draw attention. R. Lee Ernie, great actor. Most of you know him best for his drill sergeant role when he played in Full Metal Jacket. I gotta be honest, he was the only thing that saved the new 2003 remake of Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and he really was the only thing that made the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, he's the only one that actually made it right. And you know what? In honor of him, here tonight, we're going to make some biscuits and gravy. And, I just happen to have a little bit of meat on hand. So we're going to chop that meat down. Nothing like a piece of meat. These are the fully cooked sausages. Again, we could have gone ahead and bought the uncooked, done the whole bit. Now, you guys all know how to cook sausage. It's not rocket science. If you guys don't, leave me a comment down below, and I'll show you how. And in fact, I'll show you some good techniques, too. So if you guys are interested in even seeing just my technique, let me know, and I'll hook you guys up. I'll do it in one of the next couple episodes. So like I said, I know it's supposed to be all like waiting for February or whatever, and but, you know, it kind of like occurred to me, this isn't real TV. Like, I want to give you guys that TV experience and that TV vibe from the old days, like, but the truth is, it is still YouTube. So I kind of make my own rules as long as I don't overstep my boundaries with the Guardians. And I'm trying not to do that. Which means also, from now on, you guys will get introductions here on the Angry 80s Guy YouTube channel. But after the introduction, if you guys want to see the full episode and what's happening, you're going to have to come over here to our new channel, The Real Killer Kitchen. I'll leave a link in the description. But, they're hitting me. And they're hitting me hard. They're taking everything. I don't know who I pissed off or why. But they're really nailing my ass to the wall. So, from this point forward, this will be our last full episode on the Angry 80s Guy Killer Kitchen channel. Now, I'm still going to post things from here and there, and I'm going to do a lot of shorts and show you guys some cool shit. But for full episodes, full content, I'm asking you guys to switch on over there. It seems like ever since like 1,000 people like me, YouTube hates me even more than they already did. Which sucks, because like, damn. I mean, talk about kicking a dog when he's down. I finally like, because I really dig you guys, and I like hanging out with you guys. And they're like mad at me because I don't want to spread propaganda or talk shit. I just want to hang out with people and goof around and cook some cool shit. And, you know, at the same time, kind of be like, hey, fuck this world. Let's go back to fucking 1986. Let's go back to the day when shit was cool. Of course, you watch this episode, you kind of wonder if it is cool. I'm going to cut the rest of this meat down. Take a good look at that sausage link. This is Killer Kitchen.
I thought I was going to spend eternity alone. But now you're mine. Right here on this step. Forever.
Hey, it's us again!
Where's the back door?
No, Clyde. Upstairs.
This place got a fire escape.
So handsome and so dumb.
What?
Upstairs, Clyde. Nobody's looking for an old man.
Upstairs.
I'm coming, Sheriff.
Charlie, you keep that damn dog under control. He might see again and you're off the posse.
Are you all right?
Good boy.
We ain't got all day, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm sorry to bother you again, ma'am, but do you suppose I could come inside?
Well, I'm sorry, Sheriff. Weren't you the one who told me not to let anybody in?
Oh, this is serious now. The dog keeps circling around coming back to this house. Now, we seem to think that, hey, heel, Gator, heel boy, easy now. We're thinking that maybe he broke into the house and you're not aware of it, ma'am.
Broke in here?
Yeah, broke in here.
Sweet Lord.
Hey, settle down now, Gator. Heel. Yeah, are you alone here in the house, ma'am?
There's nobody else here but me. and my man upstairs.
I would dearly like to look around if you don't mind. Chill out, Gator. Settle down. Give it a break. Easy now.
Well, honestly, Sheriff, I'm fine. Well, fine, my husband and I. He hasn't been well.
Yeah, well, that Clyde Bedreau now, he's a wily cuss. He could have got in this house and snuck by you when you were sitting in your parlor. Don't have no search warrant. You gotta excuse Gator, man. He's a real pro. Got a sixth sense about things like these. Okay, boy, go on. Sniff him out. Well, go on.
Hi, darling. It's me, Elvira, telling you that without Coors and Coors Light this Halloween, your friends will get ugly without their masks. So stock up where you see this display. I shop here because they slash prices. Happy Halloween.
Scared Silly, starring Ronald McDonald and the Chicken McNuggets. Ronald, nice to see you in this neck of the woods. Come on. What are you making? We're stirring up secret sauces for dipping.
We're ready, boys.
Let's make sauce.
Oh, well, at least I got my hair done.
I have an idea. Whoop-de-doo, McDonald's sauces. You can always count on them to be terrific.
It's a good time for the great taste of McDonald's.
I'm Freddy Krueger, and you're invited to my special get-together. But beware, you may never leave. Dial this number now. I've got some grisly details for you. And if you're one of my lucky callers selected at random, you'll talk to me live while you're awake and safe. So dial this number now if you dare. Talk to me live. Freddy Krueger is waiting just for you.
$2 for the first minute, 35 cents each additional minute.
Welcome back. Well, seems old boy's got himself kind of cornered, huh? It's funny. Karma's a hell of a thing, and if you don't believe in karma, just think of it like this. God knows you fucked up. And if you don't believe in God, well, how about just think about it like this? The world's a bitch, so why add to it? Okay, for the new cats. The world's a Karen, so why be one too? In a world full of Karens, I'd love to see a bunch of Morticias. This is Killer Kitchen, and here's what we're gonna do. See, I guess I kind of lied to you guys. We are gonna kind of make biscuits and gravy, but no, we're not. I showed you guys in our last break what we're going to do. Now, our next step, because nothing's ever quite what it seems, we are actually making what I would like to call slime on a shingle. So, we've got some classic Alfredo sauce. We got ourselves some biscuits roaring and ready to go. And we got our fucking sausage. Now, originally, I wanted to add like a couple other meats, and Cam Pam said, no way, fuck you, we can't afford it. So Joe Biden's a dick, or I totally would have made this way better. I'm going to simmer these on a low heat while we get to the conclusion of Stared in Horror. And I got to tell you, Clyde, your mama should have told you playing with them fucking bad boys was going to get you in trouble. But I guess Billy Joel had a point. Only the good die young, right?
Gator, what's wrong with you? Go! What are you stopping? Gator!
Well, I am terribly sorry, ma'am. I guess my dog got confused.
Quite all right, officer. Thank you for stopping by. I'll be sure to get my door locked just like you said.
Go Gators! Here, boy! Where'd the Gators go, Harvey? You just let him run right past you.
We did it, Clyde. They've gone. Clyde? Clyde?
I put a bullet in my brain before I get old and useless like you.
Go back! No!
Poor Clyde. I guess that's one 12-step program he could have done without. Still, you'll be happy to know, kiddies, that our story has a happy ending. Clyde did manage, after a couple of years, to crawl a little way down the stairs, where he waited for Lily while she grew some. You know what they say? Age before booty. My next poem features a rhyming scream I think you'll find interesting.
Hey, why don't you sit down?
Excuse me, folks. Now that's beat poetry.
For the HBO Comedy Hour every Saturday at 10, we ask two comic legends how they feel about starring in their very own HBO Comedy Hour.
Look at it this way. An audience is going to have some compassion for two men that are 122 years old together.
Spend an evening with Sammy Davis Jr. and Jerry Lewis. Premiere Saturday, November 5th on HBO. An American teen finds danger in the deep when he sets out in search of a mysterious sea monster in the land down under. Henry Thomas stars in The Quest, next on HBO.
The brightest stars, the biggest hits. HBO, the best movies.
In our world, wherever there is a grandfather, there will be a gift.
A ball?
A gift of that once upon a time when there were bold men.
Who are you?
Lovely ladies.
Hello, lady.
And one thing more.
Is this a kissing book?
Skip to the end.
Peter Falk, Mandy Patinkin, and Billy Crystal.
Have fun storming the castle.
In The Princess Bride.
They're kissing again.
Saturday on HBO, the best movies.
Let's hear it for one of Hollywood's hottest young stars, Michael J. Fox.
Oh, that's nice.
He's starring in one of the biggest box office comedy hits of the year, The Secret of My Success. How did he do it?
I never slept with the boss.
No, you slept with the boss's wife.
Whether he's climbing his way to the top or clawing his way out from under, the kid from Kansas is one step ahead of every yuppie in town. Michael J. Fox stars in the mega hit The Secret of My Success. Saturday, HBO, the best movies.
Want to meet a couple of real men?
Nick Pirandello, CIA.
He's uncontrollable. He's a wild man. His methods are totally unpredictable.
Hi, I'm Bob Wilson. What kind of guy is he?
Average. They've just been teamed up to save the world.
I was kidnapped by this crazy lunatic who claims he's a CIA. You're enjoying yourself, I can tell.
James Belushi and John Ritter are real men. Saturday on HBO.
We're talking serious Bob Goldthwait here.
Hi, Bobcat Goldthwait here, and this has never happened before to me. My God, I can see people and girls, and some of them need to put some clothes on. Put some clothes on, will you? Get dressed. Get dressed. I'm coming to your house.
HBO. We're talking serious comedy here.
Put some clothes on. Woo.
Seems fate has a bit of irony. I'd get old, I'd die, I'd kill myself before I get old and useless like you. And in turn, now, he's old and useless, literally. Can't even get up off the floor. And her, well, my friends, speaking of slime on a shingle, I think this is the perfect introduction. So, Clyde, here's the slime you wanted to ride you. All over, just like that. There you go. There's the slime that you wanted all over you. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Be careful what you wish for, Clyde. And to the rest of you, I bid the same. Be careful about those you mistreat. Be careful about those people that you come across every day in the stores, in the street, in the subway. Thank you, sir. Even your new neighbors. Because I'll tell you something. The best thing or the worst thing could be right next door, and in some cases, right in your own bed. Be careful who you marry. And if you do marry, be careful how you treat her. I'll tell you the secret to life. Be good to everybody. And yeah, something bad might happen. But you know, the chances of that are cut nearly to 1/10 when you treat people right. It's my rule. I'll tell you what. I don't care if you come from the little fucking Saturn rings up here. I don't care if you come from fucking Pluto itself with your little blue moons and whatever like that. Come on, meet. Hey, that's cool. That's cool. Just don't be doing that meh shit at me. I'm cool. Unless that's a good thing. I don't know. I've actually kind of thought about having sex with aliens. That would be cool. And that leads me into our finale here. Slime on a Shingle. We'll see you guys right here next week. Obviously, I couldn't quit smoking. I tried like fuck. But I'll tell you what, you know why I quit smoking? I was really just going to quit because kind of like my health sucks and whatever, and doctors beating up my ass and media up my... You know what? Speaking of media, fuck the media. You guys should stick around over here by me. I'll show you guys some cool shit, and at least my propaganda's from the fucking 80s and 90s. So I want you to go out and buy a box of tricks. It's a hell of a lot better than asking you to go out and... Well, you know that one. It's been great, guys. We'll see you right here on the next Killer Kitchen. Wait! Wait, we can't end the show yet. I gotta show you guys. Check it out, right? Alright, look at this. Like, everybody's digging the food. So, here's my proof. It might look really gross, but guys, is it good? You heard him. You heard him. Slime Time Live.
The NBC television schedule is brought to you as special recorded for rebroadcast in this time zone on KNBC Channel 4.